Okay, welcome back to the BSN channel. Today we're going to be doing this. Today's lesson 4 of the Twi language, Asante dialect of Twi. We'll be doing general time expressions and also the time. Last time we done numbers, so you have to use your skill in numbers to be able to use that for the time, to tell the time or to find out the time. The first expression is, what is the time?
Hi.
Sorry, my mum was reminding me it was rude. My mum is with me. Say hello, mum.
Hello, people.
That was my bad. See, I should get smacked for that. You know, I should receive the abah.
Yeah. After that, off the camera.
My, Asante Twi.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I mean, Asante Twi. Yeah. Yeah, she was. You pull my ear. You know. Anyways, general time expressions. The first question is, well, we'll do the numbers, but the first one people want to know is, what is the time? So what time is it? Say it slowly, please. Or okay. It is 1 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. So you're saying there's 2 ways of saying it?
I would say in proper Twi they would say no 9.
Yeah, non being like the plural, so they replace the D with an N, so it'll be double N. It is 5 o'clock. It is 6 o'clock. Okay, we're gonna add some words to this because obviously it could be 6 o'clock in the morning, it could be 6 o'clock at night. So it is 7 o'clock at night. It is 7 in the morning. It is 8 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. It is 10 o'clock. It is 11 o'clock. It is 12 o'clock. There's different ways of saying 12, so how would you say it is midday? That's when the sun is there, is looking at you. Like, it is midnight. Or just say 12 at night.
No. There's a word for it, and they have to say about
Can you use anopatutu and say that? Oh, okay.
Which means we are going into.
So in simple terms, to say it's 12 o'clock at night, how do you say it is 12 o'clock at night? Okay. Now we're going to talk about dividing the time. So you've got stuff like 1 minute past 1. Yes. Okay. Then we'll make it harder. Like it's 1 minute past 1 in the morning. So we'll start with it is 1 minute past 1.
About meaty. Okay.
Hey.
You was talking about minute or
Also, it's
pass. Apa
sima.
sima baako.
So say that again.
Apa sima baako.
Okay. It is 1 minute to 1. So it's 1 minute before 1.
Aka sima baako na bo donko.
We'll do another one. 2 minutes past 2.
Aka
Apa
ho donhwere mienu. Eya edu mienu no mienu.
Should have said apa sima.
Oh, it's not donhwere, it's not ours. Apa sorry. Apa ho sima mienu. Yeah, no mienu.
Okay, that's the proper way to say it. Just so you know.
Apa ho sima mienu.
It's 2 minutes to 2. So it's 2 minutes before 2.
Aka sima mienu. Na bo no mienu.
Okay. And just so if people know, aka means remaining. So
Yeah.
what's left. Apaho sima means something that's gone
Pass.
past, like over. Can't explain. It's such an expressive line. It's hard to explain in English terms.
It's that simple.
Something simple. 5:15. Like 15 minutes past 5.
Yeah, apa ho miti. We say that apa ho miti. Edunum.
Okay. It's 4:45.
Aka miti dunum na abo nunum.
It is 5:30.
Abo nunum nefa.
It is 5:30 in the evening.
Abo enyumre nunum enefa.
It is 5:30 in the morning.
Abo ahumachen nunum nefa.
Okay. And you've got today,
Ene
tomorrow,
wachna
yesterday.
enura.
Say that one slowly, please. That's hard to pronounce, that one.
Enura.
Morning.
Anopa.
This morning.
Ene anopa.
Tomorrow morning.
Wachina anopa.
Lunchtime. Like in the middle of the day.
Ewia.
Afternoon. Which is...
Like premtobre.
Yeah.
Premtobre is the midday.
So that is the afternoon. Next week.
And then now watch you. Or now watch you send me.
An hour tree at
exactly the same week today. Next week.
Okay. Last week. So the one that's
now watch you etremu. Now watch you etremu.
That's past. That we've crossed. Yeah, we've crossed.
Last.
Next month.
Bosumi ya eba.
Just to clarify, what is week again? Close the door, please. What is week? Like.
Now watch.
And then month.
Bosumi.
Okay, so we'll say next month again.
Bosumi sese.
Last month.
Bosumia etwemu.
Okay. Next year. So let's say year first. Year.
Afe.
Next year.
Afe sese.
Last year.
Afe etwemu.
Early.
Entem.
Late.
Ache.
On time. Or put it in a sentence. I am on time.
Oh, medikai.
I came first.
Yeah.
Let's try and put this in some sentences and then we'll end. Then we're finished. Actually, no. We do that another time. Let's just go through Monday to Sunday, and then we're done.
Okay.
Monday.
Ejuada.
Tuesday.
Ebnada.
Wednesday.
Ukuyada.
Thursday.
Yawada.
Friday.
Efiada.
Saturday.
Memreda.
You don't know my birthday. That's my day.
Kwame. Memreda.
Sunday.
Kosiada.
Should you explain the names that come from the days of the week?
The names. Monday is usually is named after individual people. The day, the
and the clues are in the name of the day. Juada.
Yeah. So the women, they've got their name, and the men, they've got their name.
Yeah, because Tuesday is Benada, so that's Abna.
Yeah, Monday, I'll start from Monday. So Monday is
Is it Kwajo?
No, Kwajo.
My bad.
Kwajo.
My bad.
And then Ajwa as a woman.
See, you see the clue in the name, the Jo.
Jo.
So from Juada.
Jo.
Yes.
And then Tuesday is Abna and Kwabna.
See the Bena.
Abna.
Benada.
That's the day. That's it. Wednesday, which is Wukuyada, which means Kweku and Ekuya.
See, from Wukuyada.
And then Thursday, which is
Yao.
Yao is Yawada, meaning Ya and Yao.
Yeah, the word is in Ya.
Yeah. And then Friday
Fiada.
Fiada is Efia and Kofi.
See, the Fi.
It
comes from Fiada.
That's it. And then Saturday.
This one's a bit indirect.
It's Kwame, and it's
from the Me.
Memreda.
Memreda, yeah.
Which is the day is called Memreda, and it's Kwame as a boy, and then Ama.
Okay.
Yeah.
Memreda. Oh, Memreda. Okay.
Memreda.
Yeah.
So Kwesiada is Sunday.
Is that Kwesi?
Yeah, which is Akwesi and Akosua.
So it reminds me of egg.
No, Akosua.
It's a joke.
Akosua.
Okay. So the names come from days. So we're gonna leave there. It's a bit long now. Next time we'll get deeper into some sentences. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments.
Yeah.
Like, dislike. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Peace. How do you say peace and tree? Yeah. Okay. Welcome back to the BSN channel. It's a very hot day. My brother's suffering. My mum's with me. We're gonna do the third lesson of tree. We'll be discussing numbers.